This is probably roughly about 5 cups of cubed ulu is what I would say. Okay, and then we just chunking them up, taking out that core piece. Well, none of the uniform sizes. Okay, so this is all our ulu that's cubed up. We're gonna do a 9x13 pan, and I've sprayed it with Pam, cooking non-stick spray, just because it makes the cleanup a lot easier, So our mixture is gonna be 1 cup of brown sugar. You can use light or dark brown sugar. Dark brown sugar just has more molasses in it versus the light brown sugar. So brown sugar.
Well, you can dessert sometimes molasses.
I like to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg because it just kind of gives it an extra.
There's that holiday spice for your tea.
Exactly. And then 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And I want to let you know, this cinnamon actually comes from Hāmākua. My friend has a cinnamon tree, and she started taking, she'll debark it, dry it, grind it up, and make her own cinnamon.
Oh, right.
So local cinnamon, right? How often do you hear that?
The first?
But you can use your store-bought cinnamon if that's all you have, right? And then I take 1 block of butter, which is half cup. Half a cup of butter. So just put it all in there. And if you can pass me that spatula. And then we're just gonna mix it all together. So basically, if you can't remember, just take your recipe for candied yams and substitute ulu. And just follow the same directions. If your recipe calls for a little bit more of this or that, that's totally fine. But just substitute your yams for ulu.
Okay.
I just kind of cover it, like that. It'll spread out when it's cooking. And then, of course, you need the marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Now I know you was looking for this piece right here.
With
the puka, that all the marshmallow head.
Whoa, it's like a cinnabon.
Right?
Oh, but I tell you, this is so good. Oh, well. Oh, mahalo, mahalo.
You're
Oh my
welcome.
God.